Everyone, it's and today I'm making a video based on how I make my thumbnails. So let's get started. So number one, I choose my outfit, but I chose my outfit before the video even started. So I erase my roleplay name and I just save it as when it says roleplay name. I remove my name and it says yes, and I just click save again. So then after that. I find an animation. I already have the animation I want. Let's go. Is someone here? It's like this. No, I think I go. It's fashion one, definitely. So after that, I take a screenshot of it. Okay, right here. So I take my screenshot, and after that, I save it, and the save button is right here. If you're gonna try this, I recommend you do. If you don't, then it's fine. So the save button is right here. So after that, I go to my editor I use. It's called Pixar, or as you can say, Voltor. So after that, you typed what you put. I put mod. Okay, so now it appeared. So I go where the scissors are, then I hear not I hear, then I go there. So I set everything out and it does work for me. So basically I don't have to do all the outlining work, it's outlined for me. Oh no, I forgot to put the background, but it's okay. So it took some part away from this, but it doesn't really matter to me as much. So if you forgot to put your background, I just realized I did, I'm just gonna show you what to do. Okay. So I'm gonna get my background. It's called Hearts. My hearts thing was already taken. I already named something hearts, like my background or whatever. Yeah, I named a background hearts already. I needed it. Okay, like this. So it can go above the background, but I'm gonna show you why it's okay. So basically, just move this layer right here. Then here we have it. Okay. Okay. So now we can just I want to add some wait, I want to do this. So I'm gonna add a border because why not? I'll look for the border I want. Mouse is acting up. Ooh, I want square. Yeah, I'm just gonna have it square. It's pretty cool actually. And this is already outlined. The snipping and Royal High did the work for me. So now I'm just gonna. Now we can add text because our Roblox avatar, well, mine is acting like it's looking at a text right now. So, I'm gonna do this. Wait. Okay, this is not working out. How? I want to be really, really, really creative and just add different fonts and words. It's probably gonna look really, really ugly, I tell ya, but it's okay, I guess. So let's add how? Okay. Yeah, we can leave it white. Okay, so you can outline this too, or you could just put a background like that. So I put how, then let's change it to pink. Then I size it like this, yeah. Set it like that. I don't know what pink I should use. Okay. Letter spacing that. I think it looks good already. So we can add a shadow, oh, I have an creative idea. Let's leave this one, but let's make this size way more bigger. So how? Leave it like this. How? Okay, looks good, right? Okay. Now we add another one. How I edit. I always need capital. So how I edit. Wait, let's. I want to be so creative right now, but out of all times, it's now. Okay, I edit. Okay, for how I'm just gonna leave it like this because I like it like that. So how I edit. Wait, why not? I don't. I should have made my decision up already. Let's try to be creative next time. Okay, alright. So I did that. How I edit. I'm gonna make this blue this time. Back. No, not background. Outline. You can add a shadow if you want. Let me actually add a shadow for this. Okay. Shadow. Now, you can choose any type of shadow color you want. I'm gonna choose blue, because blue is my favorite color, and why not? Okay. It doesn't match, though. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good, better. You can change it up if you want, but I think it's nice and good and Gucci, so... Yeah, I think the blue I had was already fine. I like certain types of blues, by the way. I think this is good. It looks like I spelled edit wrong, but I'm pretty sure it... Oh, I edit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I spelled it right. Let's make it uppercase, like everything, because my edit doesn't look too nice. How I edit. How I edit. Oh, okay, let me just do that. How I edit. How I edit. Then then I just put my there, like this. I don't know what color to put it. I feel like green would go after. So I'm gonna put green with the outline. But I forgot to like... Oh, I'm doing so much. Okay. Okay. We can put... Alright, we're gonna do a shadow, and the shadow will be pink. Wait, no, not the color, the shadow. Ooh, that color is nice. I'm using that one next. So basically what I'm gonna do here is undo, because I don't remember what I did or anything. Okay, yeah, we leave it that. Then this is where we added the shadow. Alright, so... Okay, so now the shadow color will be looking pink. Why not? Doesn't match though. Okay. I want the shadow color to be showing. So I'm gonna add like dark blue. I want you all to see the shadow thumbnail. So, wait, but you can't? I'm trying. Okay. So it looks like you're not gonna really be able to see it, but I guess it's... Oh, it's fine. Okay. Let's put the blur down. Okay. Yep. Alright, now it's good. Yeah, okay. Now for mine, we're gonna make this pretty green I saw right now. Wait, okay, yeah. We know that's the color of the, yeah, that's the color of the outline. So we're gonna get the outline. And we're gonna put it right here. Ooh, 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 that is pretty. Okay. So now shadow. This is taking kind of forever, but I just want to give you the tutorial. Shadow, you know what it is, I think. Let's add this green. Ooh, it doesn't match though, but this is good now. Just it how I hit my, like this. Yep. Then all we have is thumbnails. thumbnails. Right, but I want different color. Wait, what did I just? Wait, what did I just do? Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Do you want to add a new? No, undo. Thank God, there's undo. Okay, good. Okay, I meant to just like erase thumb from it. Wait, I feel like me extra. This video is too long. Um, I'm gonna put red. So I'm gonna stop recording and let you know what I'm done with it. I'm done with that. So I'm gonna add like stars in the background, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna search up stars. No, I snip it, but not everything. You'll see what I'm about to do. Okay, so now I'm gonna add it. But for now, you can see how the thumbnail would look. Okay, so I got the stars. Of course, snipping, snip, snip. Alright, so now it looks like this, right? So this looks kind of ugly, actually. So let me just put the stars right here. Wait, no, under the bell. Wait, no, what am I doing? No. Okay. Okay, what am I doing now? Right here? Wait, I'm trying to like put it right here. Wait, no, what am I doing though? I'm confusing myself. Where's the stars? Try to put it right here. I'm just confusing myself. Let's just not add it. Alright, so anyways, let me just pause the ending screen right here. Boop. Okay. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Click the like button if you enjoyed the video, or hit it in the face. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.